A1 level, very simple English hello and welcome. This is an English listening test. Do not worry. We will start very easy. Please relax and listen. My name is Emma. I'm a teacher. I live in a quiet town. Every morning I wake up early. I open my eyes and smile. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth slowly. Then I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I eat bread and eggs. I drink warm tea. After breakfast, I get dressed. I wear simple clothes. I take my bag. I leave my house. I walk to work. The air feels fresh. The sky looks blue. I like mornings. They make me feel calm. This is my normal day. Now listen again in your mind. Think about the actions. Wake up. Brush teeth. Eat breakfast. Go to work. This is a 1 English. Simple and clear. A 2. Level, easy but longer English. Now we move to a 2 level. The English is still easy, but the sentences are longer. Yesterday was different for me. I woke up later than usual. I felt tired because I slept late. I checked my phone and saw many messages. Some were from friends, some were from work. I felt a little stressed. I quickly got ready. I skipped breakfast. On the way to work, the bus was crowded. People were talking. Some were laughing. Some looked tired like me. At work, I had many tasks. I worked slowly but carefully. During lunch, I ate with my coworkers. We talked about movies and food. After work, I felt relieved. I went home and rested. The day was busy but normal. B1 level, everyday story English now. This is B1 level. Please focus more. Last year, I felt stuck in my English learning. I could understand simple sentences, but real conversations felt fast and confusing. I often translated in my head. This made me slow. I decided to change my routine. Every morning, I listened to English for 10 minutes. In the evening, I spoke to myself in English. I described my day. At first, it felt strange. I made many mistakes. Sometimes I felt embarrassed even when I was alone. But slowly, something changed. My brain started reacting faster. Words came naturally. I felt more confident. I realized improvement happens when you practice daily, not when you wait for perfection. B2 level, clear ideas and explanation. Now we are at B2 level. The ideas are deeper. Learning English is not only about studying rules. It is about building habits. Many learners fail because they study too much at once and then stop. The brain needs repetition. Listening daily trains your ears. Speaking daily trains your mouth. Mistakes are signs of progress, not failure. When learners understand this, they feel relaxed. Confidence grows from small wins. Even 5 minutes a day can create long-term results. English becomes part of daily life, not a subject to fear. C1 level, thoughtful and analytical English now. This is C1 level. The language is more advanced and thoughtful. In today's interconnected world, English functions as a bridge between cultures. It allows individuals to access global information, share ideas, and build professional networks. However, many learners underestimate the psychological barriers involved in language acquisition. Fear of judgment, perfectionism, and impatience often slow progress. Those who succeed understand that language fluency is a gradual transformation. It requires consistent exposure, reflection, and the courage to communicate despite uncertainty. C2 level, near native and abstract English. This is C2 level, the highest stage. Please listen for nuance and meaning. Language mastery extends beyond vocabulary size or grammatical accuracy. It involves sensitivity to tone, intention, and cultural context. Advanced speakers adjust their language depending on situation and audience. They listen not only to words, but to emotions and implications. At this level, English becomes a tool for thinking, persuading, and connecting. True fluency feels effortless, flexible, and deeply human. Extended reflection section. Mixed levels. Now let us reflect. If some parts felt easy, that means your level is growing. If some parts felt difficult, that is completely normal. Listening is a skill built over time. Every minute you listen, your brain adapts. Every sentence you understand builds confidence. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Improvement is often silent but powerful. Keep listening. Keep practicing. One day, English will feel natural.